So as you can see, I'm logged into the back end of the website on the page that we need to add the TikTok video. I'm going to first open up my list view, then I will twirl open my settings, and I'm going to add a new section to this website by inserting a background. Choose Insert After, Background, and then I'm going to insert a column because I don't want the TikTok video to take up the entire width and I want to put some content next to it. There we go. I'll get rid of the placeholder content by removing those blocks. Delete this image. And then I'm going to choose a block called HTML. I'm choosing that by hitting the plus button and typing HTML into my search box. Now I have a blank box where I can put my embed code for my TikTok video. And this will work for other embeds too. Instagram, you would do the exact same process as I'm going to use on this TikTok video. So here's the video they want to add to the website. I'll choose the embed code, copy the code, paste it into my HTML block, and then add a headline. So follow us. And then I'll link out to their handle here. If I wanted to get fancier, I suppose I could make that into a button and just put my link in there. And then I will hit update, view page, and if I scroll down, I can see the TikTok video for food sciences. I'm actually going to make a slight edit. The headline and the button were too low, I think. So I'm going to go back into my list view and I'm going to actually set this to be split scroll because I like it. And that will shoot the headline right up to the top. You can also change the behavior of all of the content in your column by selecting the column and changing the content position like so. And if I put it in the top left, that means that the top left will stay here. I'm going to go and look at that again. And there we go. Follow us on TikTok. And then the other thing I noticed is there's a lot of white space around the embed, and that's something that's a little bit more difficult to change. So I'm going to change the background color to white so we don't have that excess white space on the iframe for the TikTok video. So let's take a look. All right. And now that kind of leads the eye down into the gallery. And you can turn on the volume and just it behaves how TikTok normally behaves.